I'm here for another video, the Credit Repair Boss, the Biz Coach. I want to thank you guys for coming back and watching another one of my videos. So we know that the end of the year is upon us, which means that people are making a lot of New Year's resolutions. And for some people, that resolution is to start a business. So today we're going to give you 3 benefits on starting your business. Let's go. All right, guys, so I want to thank you for coming back to another one of our videos. Want to ask you guys to like the channel, subscribe to the channel, and then share this information if you find it valuable or useful. So the 3 benefits of starting a business. And when I talk about a business, I'm talking about starting like a corporation, an LLC, or even if you're starting a sole proprietor where you just only have your EIN number. So let's get straight to the benefits. 3 benefits of starting a business. Benefit number 1 is that you create a new person. So once you file or register with the state, city or county, you given an EIN number. So that number is the same type of number as that when you're born, you're given a social security number. And when you create your business, you're given an EIN. So an EIN, which is like an employer identification number, the EIN for your business is equivalent to your social security number as an individual. So when you create a business, you duplicate, you can actually create, legally, you create a new entity, which is the same as creating a new person. So this newly formed entity can conduct business alongside with you, or it can stand on its own and conduct business separately from you. Benefit number 2 is that you can become an employee of this new form business, this new form entity, and you, since you formed it, you get to choose your title in this newly formed business. So for filing purposes, for income purposes, or tax purposes, you can be anything from the president, CEO of that corporation, or you could be a receptionist. You can be an administrative assistant. You can be the custodian. You get to choose your position in that business. And when the business does begin to generate revenue, you control your personal income. So what does that mean? On this, you need to CYA, consult your attorney, consult your accountant. But on this, for instance, if you have a business that's generating, for instance, $100,000 a year, you can be an employee of that business. And you can receive wages, a salary from that business. And let's say you give yourself title of a receptionist, you can make $15,000 a year. And that's very powerful to control your own income, because when you go to file your taxes, you have a lot more control over personally what you owe back, what you can receive as a refund. So finally, benefit number 3, the new entity or person can apply for credit. This is powerful because the business has its own EIN number, and it can apply for credit with or without your personal social security number. In most cases, a business can receive up to 10 times more credit than an individual. So that's a powerful tool to have access to. Where maybe on an individual level, you can receive a credit card for maybe like a $5,000 or $10,000 limit, or a personal loan for that amount. When you go in as a business, you can get 10 times that, $100,000 or even more once you have the proper things in place and you have the proper paperwork in place. Business credit can be completely separate from your personal credit utilization. What this means is that we talked in other videos where you want to have your credit utilization below that 30% mark. Well, the rules for business credit are a little bit different. You can go above that 30% threshold, because the main thing that lenders and financial institutions are looking for on a business credit standpoint, they just want to make sure that you pay your bills on time or early. And that's going to be a major benefit on a business level. So 3 tips, 3 bonuses, 3 benefits of starting a business. Hope you guys like this information. Ask you again to like the channel, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. We'll see you on the next video.